This is you, and this is your living room. This is your couch and light reading, modern art, family heirloom, ottoman, potted plant, hunting trophy, coat rack, stacked carpet, and reading lamp. The only thing missing is the kitchen sink. It's time for an upgrade, but how?
Introducing the Home Style Kit, the shopping guide, floor plan, and style service all in one.
Good interior design is important because it makes you happy. Most people I meet, they know what they want, they just didn't know how to go about it. If you want something that's easy and you want guidance, then this is the all-encompassing package of that.
The Home Style Kit offers multiple different pre-designed styles for you to choose from and can be upgraded to include a custom floor plan for your space, a personalized style for your room, video chat support, and a staging service to put it all in one place for you.
I think everybody deserves to be happy in their space and love where they live. And with this Home Style Kit, you can achieve that like a pro.
So, what are you waiting for? Your stress-free room makeover solution is available to you. Just click, shop, then sit back and watch your room fall into place.